In the wake of the much-aligned decision to do business with Department of Justice, OpenAI is looking to course-correct and win back public confidence with the release of GPT 5.4. OpenAI called the model its most capable and efficient frontier model for professional work and claimed it brings back advancement in reasoning, coding, agentic workflow under a unified model. GPT 5.4 is rolling out today and will be available for ChatGPT, Codex, and OpenAI API. GPT 5.4 thinking will be available for Plus, Teams, Pro users, while Pro will be available through the API as well as ChatGPT Enterprise and EDU customers. According to them, GPT 5.4 will first general use model the company has released with native computer use capabilities, meaning that it will automatically work across different applications across a machine on behalf of the user. The company claims the model is able to write code to operate and execute tasks on computers as well as issue keyboard and mouse commands to navigate across the operating system. This should make a notable upgrade as it relates with agentic AI, and the company is touting its latest benchmark to prove it. As for more general users, the average ChatGPT user most likely to interact with like asking question. OpenAI said the newest model offer better performance there as well. The company claims GPT 5.4 individual response are 33% less likely to contain errors compared to GPT 5.2 and the new model is 18% less likely to make mistakes. The company also said that hallucinations are likely less with GPT 5.4. The platform recently lost 1.5 million users after OpenAI announced it will offer its services to Department of Justice following rivals Anthropic's very public refusal to discuss its safeguard to please Pentagon. The decision did not produce public backlash but also internal issues as some employees openly expressed their opposition to working with Department of Justice.